So then, here comes the real beef. The first thing you do is you tell our API, I'm going to create a corpus. What is a corpus? It's not a dead body. In natural language processing, a corpus means a collection of documents. That's it. Okay? Because there's a bucket, a folder, those kind of things. So you will tell our API you want to create a bucket. Okay, so you just need a very simple JSON payload. Say what is the name of my bucket, what it does. That's it. Okay, and then you send this request to our server. So this is our endpoint. So basically API.Vectara v1, and the endpoint is create a corpus. You send it with your credentials, and then here you go. So for example, if we do it, I know why, because the part of this got expired. Yeah, okay. So yeah, just add a little bit message, say a new corpus created, the corpus ID is number 8.